All right, this is a 2012 Lincoln MKS. If you have to take the door panel off for whatever reason, speaker, door handle, or just change the whole entire door panel, I'm going to show you how to take it off right now. Thing you got to do, there's a little panel right here inside, so you lift up the handle and you pop it out just like that. And there's a number 10 millimeter bolt that you have to remove. Second thing you have to remove is this little cover you have here. It's holding a bolt, or a screw I should say. It just pops right out. So there's a Phillips screw head there. Take that off. Third thing you got to take off is you got two bolts here. They're 7 millimeters. Remove them. Fourth, come down here under the handle. You have a number 10 right there you have to remove. Now your just rewards. Take off the door panel. Come over here. It requires a little pop, but don't be afraid. Come on the other side, do the same thing. Get your crowbar right inside here and pop it. Now you just go up with it. And there you have it. All right, if you like this video, if it helped out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe. It helps the channel. Take care, guys and girls.